Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Town Crier, your multi-layered talk show on Heritage TV, produced by the prestigious Department of Mass Communication, Heritage Polytechnic, ACAT. It's a platform where knowledge meets wisdom and wisdom meets enlightenment and understanding.
The Town Crier on Heritage TV. I am Oka Regina. Here is the news. First, the headlines.
There are some words that have gone into extinction, and there are some whose meaning are unclear to their users, or that have lost its meaning because of overusage. Here on Word Factory, we will examine words, their meaning, antonyms, synonyms, origin, and a lot more. I am Itoro Ekwere, your anchor for Word Factory on Heritage TV.
Welcome to Heritage TV. On this segment, Streetpreneur, you'll be learning about
Heritage TV. My name is Anthony Christina Raymond. In this segment, Society Watch segment, we'll be telling you about our society, our environment, and things that are going on in the newspaper and all over the world.